Um, we're on my suggestion 24. If you haven't watched suggestions 1 through 23, I suggest that you do so. But again, we're talking about how to make money online, and this is my suggestion 24. And my suggestion 24 is to start your own podcast. Now, what is a podcast? A digital audio file made available on the internet for downloading to a computer or portable media player, typically available as a series, new installments of which can be received by subscribers automatically. This is suitable for people who like to talk and explain the things. The skills required are one, in depth knowledge of any topic you are interested in. Number two, ability to persuade with logical reasoning. Now, time required for creating a podcast. There are three important steps for creating a podcast. Number one, prepare a script. Determine what will be the content. Create an outline to keep track of what you are going to discuss or promote. Number two, record audio for your podcast. Number three, upload your podcast on your personal website of iTunes. Now, you can make money off of this, and how you will monetize is you will sell your podcast, but ensure that the content in the podcast is compelling to convince people to pay for it. And you can insert a commercial into your podcast and earn money. Again, this is my suggestion 24. And I just suggest that you start your own podcast. This is for people who like to talk, who can explain subjects, and are knowledgeable about what they want to talk about. I thank you for listening. Like this video if it has been of any interest to you. Share with your family and friends. Subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I make a new video. I thank you for listening, and I'll see you soon.